trooper that I have seen on Arkansas State Police.
Near Bent Road.
I think he's got some problems, y'all. I think he may have some mental problems. Hey, welcome back to 12 Reacts. Can this motorcycle get away from Arkansas State Police? The ones we've seen so far, Arkansas State Police has taken all the motorcycles out that I have at least looked at. So let's see what happens today. Give a shout out to Police Pursuits for their video. Shout out to them. Go to their channel and subscribe. So you think that he's telling the officer, hold on, let me get out of this traffic, I'm going to pull over.
1635.
Inexperienced, I can already tell you, first shot, he's inexperienced. Yeah, he doesn't know how to ride.
25 Hope, we're taking St. Michael Drive. 1037. Speed's 90, westbound on St. Michael's in Texas. Original reason for the stop was no eye broke. Black male, green shirt, orange shirt. Orange shirt.
So I'm assuming, for those of y'all who are from Arkansas, if you know, he's almost off the road. What he was talking about, I believe it's kind of like no eye protection. Is that correct? You have to have glasses or something like that, eye protection on if you're riding without a helmet? Let me know in the comments if that's right. So I'm telling you that motorcycle is doing over 100 right now.
Coming off on the 59 exit, speed's 115.
Okay, 115.
What are you gonna do here?
He doesn't know, trooper. He don't know what he's
Continuing
doing.
west on 30, past the University Avenue exit. It's the 219 mile marker. Speed's 110, traffic's light.
Hey y'all, does that traffic look light? Maybe medium. I don't think light.
Two 5 or 219 Hope.
Speed's 100, passing about the 218.
See, a good rider would not hesitate in splitting that lane. A good rider, he'll hit it and go. This guy's got a problem. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Very little traffic. He's 105. I think he's topped out at that too.
Nah, trooper. That bike don't top out at 105. He just doesn't know how to ride it.
Passing the 217, speed's 95. He's throwing his hands up.
Do you have any Texas units near you?
I don't know. I can't talk to him.
So that's good. You hear the relationship that they have with Texas. A lot of times they can get on the same frequency. So we could do that if you had the same, if you had like a county radio or something like that, you could talk to them if they could all get on the same frequency, but that wasn't going to be through your main radio system that you have.
Coming up on exit 213, speed's 95.
Know what happens when they get behind you.
Passing the 215 mile marker, speed's 97. He's giving it all it's got.
And he's laying down, doing the exact same speed that he was doing when he was sitting straight up on the bike. Usually when you see them lay down like that, they're getting ready to take off. He's not doing that. He doesn't quite know what he's doing. And as we saw in the beginning,
Stand by. He might try to take this exit 213 here.
he let off that clutch too quick. He doesn't know what he's
25,
doing.
you get where you can end it. Go ahead and end it.
Took the exit, stand by.
Okay. Supervisor said to go ahead and end it.
Knocked him off the road. He's got back northbound on Larry Road.
Look at him. He's all over the
25, do
road.
what you have to do to end it. We don't need to keep going anymore else with this 22, but end it.
Pull over. Pull over. Pull over.
We might be stopping at Bend Road.
See, this guy's playing. Low speed playing. Look at him.
We're eastbound on 2148, speed 70.
He wants to be hit.
Tried to run him off the road. We're back north on 2148.
He surely isn't in his right mind. There's no way.
Hope, are you able to give updates to Texas?
I'm on the phone with him right now. Pull over.
Well, I'll tell you what, this is probably the nicest trooper that I have seen on Arkansas
Going
State
off-road
Police.
near Bend Road.
And I think he's got some problems, y'all. I think he may have some mental problems. Hey, where are you going?
Sorry.
Careful.
I'm sorry.
You're
Y'all.
good.
Okay, he said that he was scared. Look, you don't necessarily drive like that, when you're scared. It's just easier to just pull over. So I'm assuming that he is from Arkansas, the young person who is riding the bike. He should know by now. Most people in communities get the word about their police departments or their state police department. He should have known that Arkansas State Police was not going to let him just get away with it. So I'm not quite sure that he was really all there, just because of the way of some of the sporadic driving that he was doing, and taking a motorcycle off into a field is not the smartest thing. Of course, motorcycles are hard to ride, in grass and in fields like that, as you saw he was bumping up. But I think we see once again, as we can see, do not run from the Arkansas State Police. They will take you out. All right, so hey, we'll watch the next video that's going to be coming around. Hey, I'm Ed Logan once again with 12 React. Thank you for joining me. Please hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up, as you know that helps with the algorithm as well. All right, y'all take care. Bye-bye.